So as I've been working on Project Long Haul, I got the engine put back together, was ready to fire it up, and for my first test I had some issues with the starter motor. The compression from the new Vortec heads has raised it just a bit. Still has not made it anything crazy. It's merely an 8.7 to 1 ratio, but it was still making it hard for the starter motor. So when I purchased the car, it had about 15 feet of 4-gauge cable that was going into inside the car for a cutout switch, which I have now eliminated and upgraded the cables, and I'm going to show you those cables now. So here they are. It's a 2-gauge wire that comes custom built. The positive is 42 inches. I also got a negative cable that's 25 inches. And here's where the negative cable hooks up. I also added a jumper from the ground location to the back of the alternator, as you can see there. And here's the example of what was on it before. I mean, this is also a aftermarket cable, but it is a 4-gauge cable. Now I realize that this isn't gonna show much of what it was like before, but I'll give you an example of what it is now with the new cables installed. Now, with the engine being cold, it didn't start up beautifully, but it turns over much better than it did with the old cables. The place where I got those from was called Battery Cables USA. I'm very happy with what I got, and time will tell how they turn out. For now, I like them.